Guys, good day. Meron tayong number 22 Alphard. Meron siyang 53 star sa season. So dito na-review ko na lang yung laro namin. Hindi naman ako magaling mag-stang pero ginagawa ko yung mark pass, arrow mark. Lahat iikutan ko talaga. Minsan lala mag-set.
Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. On the stage here I'm screaming, okay, it's the dream. And I pray as a team, one day maybe me. If I want it, then I'll get it. Head it down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I just stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it.
So dito guys, tatry namin pasukin yung carry. Pero dito nagmali pa ako ng skill to figure, nakabutan. Buti mo nakapatay pa ng Alphard. So dito sa turtle fight, zone kami dito ng dalawa ni Probe. Tapos masisitan ko yung ano na matildo nila. Ito guys.
So I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There's no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, every moment try to fall. Try to move, get it on. You got one life to fall. Thinking big, never small. Cause you gotta want it all. And finally get that call. You be ready, take it on. Need a hand out. I already stand out. Starting to advance now. Ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now.
So dito lilipat na lang sa alap. Grabe yung pasa. Ayan. Abot. Dito nagkamali pa ako. Ito yun yun. So fast forward na natin. Tignan yung halo. Inaabangan yung part nila. Yun, madadali. Sakot talaga. So dito guys, hindi ko na i-fast forward. Tingnan nyo na lang hanggang dulo kung ano mga nangyari dito.